Hello, my name is Isabella, and if you want to know if Green Coffee Plus works, watch to the end of this video because today I'm going to tell you important information that you need to know about this supplement before you buy it. The first thing you need to know is that Green Coffee Plus is only sold on the official site, so be very careful with the site where you're going to buy the supplement so you don't fall into any kind of fraud. To help you, I left the official site link here below in the description of this video. After all, what is Green Coffee Plus and does it really work? After scientific studies and laboratory tests, researchers discovered an all-natural formula that can help support weight loss, is rich in beneficial antioxidants, which fight free radicals and oxidation. VitaPost Green Coffee Plus is manufactured in the USA in an FDA-registered facility that follows GMP guidelines. The ingredients in the formula are both domestic and imported. The green coffee beans are sourced from Texas. So yes, Green Coffee Plus really works and you can use it safely because the Green Coffee Plus formula is natural and causes no risk to your health. In fact, thousands of people are having great results, and if you use it correctly, you can too. But to have results with Green Coffee Plus, you need to take it the right way. So you should take one capsule twice a day with food or as directed by your healthcare professional. One capsule a day, every day. You cannot forget to take it, because if you forget it can hinder your results. Making the correct use of Green Coffee Plus, you can have results already in the first month of use, but experts recommend that you use it for at least 3 months. Another very important thing about Green Coffee Plus that you need to know is that you can actually test it to see the results. Remember that pregnant or nursing women, children under 18, and individuals with a known medical condition should consult a doctor before using this or any dietary supplement. So I wanted to record this video first to tell you to be careful about the website where you will buy the product, and also to tell you that you must take the treatment seriously. Take Green Coffee Plus every day to really get results. I hope this video helped you, and if you have any questions, please leave a comment below.